Everybody is looking for ways to improve their website's visibility. Technical SEO involves optimizing the technical aspects of your website to improve its crawling, indexing, and ranking by search engines. It ensures your site meets the technical requirements of search engines like Google to achieve better visibility. Here's a breakdown. If you're a website owner, then you need to understand website crawling and indexing. Crawling search engines use bots like Googlebot to crawl web pages. Ensure your site is crawlable by creating a clear robots.txt file to control access to your site and submitting a sitemap.xml to search engines for proper indexing. Indexing. Verify that important pages are indexed using tools like Google Search Console. Use the noindex tag to prevent unnecessary pages from being indexed. You need to watch this if you struggle with site speed and performance. Site speed and performance. Core Web Vitals, largest contentful paint or LCP, measures loading performance. First Input Delay or FID measures interactivity. Cumulative Layout Shift or CLS measures visual stability. Use tools like Page Speed Insights and GT Metrics to monitor and improve load times by optimizing images, using browser caching, and reducing server response time. I bet you didn't know how crucial mobile friendliness is. With mobile-first indexing, Google prioritizes mobile versions of websites for ranking. Use responsive design and test mobile usability with tools like Google's mobile-friendly test. Am I the only one that didn't know about URL structure? Use clean, user-friendly URLs, short and descriptive. Use hyphens for separation, not underscores. Avoid dynamic parameters if possible. You need to hear this if you're a website owner. HTTPS and security. Secure your website with SSL/TLS certificates to ensure HTTPS protocol. HTTPS is a ranking factor and protects user data. What's something people don't know about structured data and schema markup? Structured data and schema markup. Implement schema markup to help search engines understand your content better and enhance rich snippets in search results. For example, use schema for FAQs, reviews, products, and local businesses. You need to hear this if you're a website owner. Canonicalization. Use canonical tags to prevent duplicate content issues. Ensure each page has a unique canonical URL. Why are there not more people talking about 404 and redirects? Fix broken links to prevent 404 errors. Use 301 redirects for permanently moved pages and 302 redirects for temporary changes. Internal linking and website architecture. Ensure proper internal linking to distribute link equity across your site. Use anchor text that is descriptive and relevant to the linked content. Use a flat website structure to reduce the number of clicks required to reach any page. Ensure that important pages are no more than 3 clicks from the home page.